Hi, hello, and welcome to Dr. Ashwinth Dental Info. This is the fifth part of the NEET MDS preparation strategies which we have been discussing. And in this video, we will see how important your study breaks are. Yes, you heard me right. In this video, we are going to discuss about our breaks during our study time. See, we are humans, we have a lot of distractions, we have lots of things running around us, and we have to give time to everything. And that's how a proper, successful study plan will work. So, here I have 3 points to share with you, which will tell you the importance of a proper study break. The first thing is that you will feel very normal, you will not feel struck, you will not have any stress. It feels like your routine is not so affected, your psychological balance will be maintained. These are few things which you really need during a preparation. You cannot afford to get into a mental disturbance or something like that because it will impact very much in your studies. So that's the first point which a study break will give you. The second thing is the break will act as a restart button. Your brain is continuously working, it is continuously feeding information. Imagine this as a computer. Even a computer gets heated up. So our brain needs a break, and your study break will be a restart button for the brain to get back to it. So you are reprogramming the software. So it's new every time, and you don't train your messengers. See, whenever you are reading something, you give some information that builds up the tree, and then the second day you build some more information, it gives other branches, and then again you add some more information, revise those things, that will be the leaves, and for all everything you are going to revise it, take mock exams, and that will be the flowers, and then you will get the fruit, which is your government seat. So that's how it works, because you have to have a process. Then this is the process. And the third thing is that you will have time to evaluate yourself, and evaluation is a vital process in your preparation. You have to know how you are reading, you have to know how good your performance is, you have to know how strong you are. Now you know why a good study break is actually very important. But what should I do in my study break and what I shouldn't? See, I have heard you now. It's like you're telling me to plan my study break also. It is a break time, and I am allowed to party over, and you are telling me what to do and what not to do. It's not like that. You can do whatever you want to do, you can do whatever you like to do, but there are a few tips which you must avoid doing it, because it will totally shatter your whole day of preparation. A small study break, a wrong study break, will totally spoil your day, because I have spoiled many days. Like I have not spoiled many days, but a few days which I could have been more productive, but I failed to do. But I made sure that I found out those distractions, and I would like to share with you. Before that, let me tell you what you should do. See, you must do a mild exercise. It can be a walk, it can be a push up, it can be running up and down the stairs, or something like that. And then you are allowed to take a power nap of 20 minutes, not more than that. If you sleep more than 20 minutes, there is a high chance you will be sleeping for about 4.5 hours, and your day will be over. Take a water load. This is a very underrated statement, because during your study, there is a high chance of dehydration, because we never tend to remember to drink water. And I would like to stress upon this point: you must drink at least 5.5 liters of water every day. If not, you are definitely going to face health issues, and that will cost very much during your examinations. So take a water load, increase your water intake to about 5.5 liters. See, have it like this: if you study one chapter, take half liter, or maybe 750 ml. If you study the second chapter, take 750 ml. That will also be a good key to your preparation. And then practice brain games like Sudoku. And I had a practice of solving Rubik's cubes, the cube with the color on every side. I don't solve it completely, but to some extent I like to solve it, and that will really boost your brain. And if you want to play games, you are allowed to play games also, because video games at a milder level, which will surely help you regain your memory power, which is games like Piano Tiles and Candy Crush Saga are games which I used to play, because they have actually there are studies which proved like these kind of games helped people overcome dementia. And so it's a very good fact, and it's a brain treat also. You must give your brain treat, so that it will enjoy the time which is going to come next. And the things you should avoid is: never check your social media. Never check who has texted you, and put a DND mode in your mobile, which is a do not disturb mode. Never check your notifications. You can always have a particular time for your digitalization. For example, 6 to 7:30 in the evening, or maybe 8 to 9 in the morning. You fix a particular time. In that time, you must watch your social media. You can reply your friends. You can talk to your friends, anything you want. But the other time, unless and until it is an emergency, you don't touch your mobile phones. But the second most thing which comes here is during your break time. If you still feel I don't need a break, maybe I can continue a little, but you feel sort of tired. You do all the things which I have told you, like exercise, power nap, etc. And then you are reading a particular chapter. The chapter will be surely put up as a video on YouTube by any other page. You can find millions of videos. You just open a YouTube page, see about that video. You will get a different perspective about that topic, and that will really help you because you are reading subconsciously and you are enjoying at the same way. So if you are into YouTube videos, watch dental videos, and by time it will be like you will be it will not be like you are forcing yourself into, if you are forcing yourself into a YouTube video, it will be very very casual because your brain is getting the treats which it has already processed, so it will be very useful. And that's it, because your study breaks is very important. That's the main thing, and a good study break will definitely help you regain your preparation, reboost yourself. It will clear off all your dump in your brain, and it will definitely boost up your performance. Because know this, the cardiac cycle is about 0.8 seconds, and the heart relaxes more than it works. We cannot do that. So at least we have to have a particular time for our breaks, because study breaks are vital. Thank you.